Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Now selling is this boutique development in the well sought after Forest Hills community of Belvedere, Red Hills. This 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathroom townhouse is newly developed. It comes with modern finishes and is tastefully designed. It has the luxury of space and enjoyment of full features of the units in mind. With only 12 units set for this development, just outside the busy corporate area, intimacy, comfort, and safety, kissed with nature's crisp, clean air and green vegetation of the surroundings, with the beautiful chirping of the birds in the wind, vivid and breathtaking. Unit comes complete with porcelain tiles, granite countertops, kitchen built-ins, ensuite rooms, and private back area. 2 units are readily available. Construction on the remaining 10 is set to be completed within 12 months. Call now and let's make this your island paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 67.5 million or US $438.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.